Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome everybody. I hope everybody's doing okay. If you have noticed, this is a back-to-back filming that I'm doing. I'm trying to make 2 weeks worth of videos, okay, so I can get ahead in all this stuff. So today we have an unbagging of DP clubs, okay, 2 diamond paintings and a cross stitch. I'm gonna do all at once. And the diamond paintings are special drills. So but before we continue, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell to support this channel, and it's free. And feel free to comment below, okay? So let's get started. This is from DP Club. This is a budget-friendly company. They always have sales on it, okay? So I'm gonna post their website in the description box so you can click directly and watch the sale. I don't have affiliated programs. I don't have anything with this company. So we got 2 diamond paintings and a cross stitch. I'm gonna do the diamond paintings first. Okay, these are special shapes. Okay, they're nice and beautiful. They're cute. So I found that, you know, I wanted to do this. Let's see. Let's get this one. I like to get rid of this because we are not. Okay, so we have over here, we have the standard toolkit. We have the drills, which we're gonna look on it and take a look at these cutie. Let me pull the flattener. I like to flatten the. So here it is. It's a special shape. It has what, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different shapes. It's a 30 by 30. Okay, the product code is CX002. It's the same one as the drills. And this is cute. These are girls with roses. Okay. It's a partial. Okay, meaning that it doesn't cover, the drilling doesn't cover the entire canvas, only the area that is already drawn into it and glue. And the glue is pretty good. The face is not, the face is not drilled, neither the extremities, the legs and the arms. This is cute, 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 cute. This is cute. Trying to flatten it. And this is beautiful. Take a look at this. For a little girl to give away, to decorate the room. Let's take a look at the drills real quick. Where do I open? I like to show the drills. I'm sorry, and I'm sorry for the crinkling, but this goes with the territory. Like I said, there was 11 of them. Special drill. Let's start it. Let's see. The camera doesn't want to focus today. Whoop. Maybe because it's daylight. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Here you go. That's beautiful. Those blue, we have them in purple, and I'm finding that these backings are coming nice. Hardly any, if not none, are scratched. Okay, this is very colorful, very colorful. Here is some big ones, faceted ones. We got some teardrops in kind of reddish pink, also faceted. And I like faceted stone because they cut through the light and they make the item shine more. That's why you see those rings, those diamonds, those stones in the jewelry store, and they have a lot of light on it because they are faceted and the lights bouncing on them, and they look all glamorous. Here is a marquee, kind of with an AB coating on it, and here is another marquee with green. In green. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me put it back real quick. So here it is again. This is beautiful. I'm going to put it separately. Let's see. Let me put it in here. Okay. The next one is a peculiar one, and I like it. It's also 30 by 30. It's in line with the dim. We'll take a look at this cutie. Oh, hold on. Here it is, the standard toolkit. With this, you can do, if you're new to diamond painting, you can do the canvas. And I suggest here are it's a 30 by 30, also has 11 colors. And take a look at this. Let me do this. Okay, here is this cutie, this beautiful. She's sleepy. I like her pink cheeks. That's beautiful. The glue is okay. Yeah, it's also a partial. Like I said, partial means that only the items over here are glue, and it has the symbol for sticking the drills on it, and the rest is not. Her body is not drilled into it, but the rose, yes, and the surrounding, and then the flowers in her head, I think they're cute. And her hair, this is cute one. I love this one. Beautiful, beautiful. A lot of butterflies on it. Okay, let's take a look at the drills. Here they are. These has AB coating, these clear ones. Some purple ones. Some like a pink color. Green ones and blue ones. These are kind of orangey. These are what? Dark purple? Let me check. No, these are like gray, something like that. These are faceted rounds. Got some yellow marquise faceted. We have the small one, teardrops in blue, in resin or acrylic. And we have some other marquee in green. Again, this is very beautiful. They're gonna turn out beautiful. So here it is again. Now, to the cross stitch. It's a nice cross stitch. It's called Berlin Scenery. It's a 26 by 29, 14 count, 2 strands. I like it because of the water fountain. That's what I got it. Here it is. A lot of flowers. It's a beautiful scenery though. This one has back stitch. Here is one frame. Page 1. And page 2, I guess. It has 21 color, 22 for the back stitch. It has 5 back stitch color. It's 102 stitches wide by 122 stitches high. So it's not that big. But I got it because of the water fountain. And look, it's not that big. It's in an 8 cloth that is off-white, search all around so it won't fray while you're stitching. Has the name of the canvas, the product code, and the product number. Okay, for what I see, we have some patches of blocking and a little bit of confetti. Against 22 color, 21 full stitch, and then 5 that are back stitch. And here are the symbols that you use for the canvas for this, to do this. And here are some of the symbols, how clear they are, even when it's red 1 to red. Okay, the canvas itself is not as much. It's a little bit stiff, but not as stiff as other ones. You can distinguish the water fountain. Joy Sunday always had the correct amount of colors for these canvases. That's what I like it so much. Joy Sunday is my favorite. Here are the buildings. It's called the Berlin Scenery, and here these the area of the flowers. Okay. Like I said, he has some blocking and some patches of blocking. Right here we have some confetti, but it's something that is workable. Something that doesn't make your hair pull out. Or doesn't make you to pull out your hair. That's the way I should have said it. So let's take a look at the colors. We got the 2 needles. Okay, we only have 1 set of color strand, and it's not that many. Well, it's 22 colors, so take a look at this. Typical of spring. Here they are. So this is it. I'm putting this back on the bag. So show you what we have today. We have this, and then we have these 2 cute little diamond paintings, the special shapes. Okay. So this is for DP Clubs today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.